Hello, this is Bill coming from Link Lighting Lab, and it's hump day. Everybody loves hump day. I am bringing you Dabmar, a glass step light. Now this step light, you could recess this. It's a recessed light. It goes in wood. It could go in a wooden step. It is perfect for at the beach. This is tempered heat resistant glass. I mean, it's solid. This is not corroding on you. You will not have any corrosion whatsoever. It has a 3.5 watt light output. And like I said, here's the little box that you recess in. You got the two little clips right here. All you do, you recess the box in, you make your connections, punch out a hole, make your connections. There we go. Snaps up nice and tight. They're 3x4. They come in black, white, and bronze, a brown, a 3.5 watt 3K. This is a tempered glass. Like I said, very, very strong. It will not decay on you. Perfect for the beach. Thank you very much. Call us first.
Guys, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and like us on Facebook.